Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. I picked up a couple of these money Marvel Zipperpulls. There's 10 of them, as you can see here. Deadpool, Thing, Wolverine, Captain America, Doc Ock, Venom, Spider-Man, Hulk, Iron Man, and Thor. Each of these are about $4.50. Or they are $4.50, so let's get to it. Hoping for Spider-Man and Deadpool. They come in these silver bags. There's Marvel on them.
Oh shit. Sorry about that. So first I got the Thing. Looks kind of like a monkey. It's alright. Hopefully I get a better one than this one. So they also have like the bigger monies. I think they're 3 inches, but didn't really like that you have to use put stickers on them, so I didn't grab those. Sweet. Alright, got what I wanted. So, Spider-Man. Quality of it, it's alright. Not bad. I'm not a huge fan of the money figure, like the ears and stuff, so probably won't get any more of these. Yep, so they're pretty tiny. I'd say about the size of almost the size of a quarter, including everything, so pretty small. Alrighty, thanks for watching.